Hi, I'm Agent Meister from Best Buy. Smart lights are a great way to help you set the right tone in your workspace. Here are some tips for setting them up. Now, depending on which system you do have, you may have bulbs that connect directly to your home Wi-Fi. In other cases, they may have a small hub device that'll help those bulbs connect to your home network. In this case, we're going to be setting up the Philips Hue smart light system, but the general process for most smart light systems will be similar. Now, the first step is to take your Hue bridge and plug it into a power socket. From there, you'll take the included Ethernet cable and plug it into one of the spare Ethernet ports on the back of your wireless router. What'll happen then is that you'll wait for all of the lights to come up on the bridge. And then from there, go ahead and open up the Philips Hue app on your smartphone or tablet and go to Settings, Hue Bridges, Add Hue Bridge. From there, follow the setup instructions on the screen. Once the Hue bridge is set up and connected to your network, adding a new bulb to your system is very simple. Go ahead and put it into a fixture, power it on, and you'll see that the light will come on to let you know it's ready to be connected. From there, bring up the Philips Hue app on your smartphone or tablet, go to Settings, go to Light Setup, and then Add Light, and follow the instructions to add that individual light to your home network. Now that we have our workspace lights set up, we can control all of the lights at once, turn them on or off. We can even dim the lights as well as control them individually. If you do have the color lights, you can change the individual colors by a specific color, or you can even use what they call scenes. For example, if we want to, if we're feeling a little bit slow in the morning, we can use the energize setting to kind of really brighten the room and kind of give you that energy as well as concentrate. Later in the day when you want to relax or read, or if you just want a little bit of fun, you can even change the settings to some of the preset settings or add your own individual ideas for new scenes. We hope you found these tips helpful. For more tips on making the most of your technology, check out the rest of our series below. Thanks for watching.